How's it going, guys? I'm back outside riding, making out a vlog. Today we have an event from our Boston Ducati club. We are meeting up at Waltham today to go out on a ride for a quick ice cream stop. I believe most of our members are gonna be there today. I'm 6 minutes away from the meetup location. So we're gonna meet over there. The kickstand's gonna be up at 7 p.m. Now it's 6:25. I'm trying to get there early, and yeah, so we're gonna kickstand up at 7 p.m. The ride should be around an hour long, which will end up at JP Licks. Where? I don't know, but I know it's in JP Licks. It's been a while since I've grabbed an ice cream, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's already 6:26 and still a lot of traffic in this place. Boston, when are you gonna solve this problem? Okay, so 0.7 miles and I'm going to the right. Finally got a nice place to mount the Insta360 Go 3. The easy clip that I used to put on my cap, that fits very nicely on this windscreen that I have. It's very tight at the perfect angle. I was gonna buy the chin mounts, adhesive camera mount, but again, I don't want to put anything on my windscreen. I don't want it to be clean, so I was being very skeptical, and finally I found a solution somehow, and I was working. That's cool. Oh, we're going left. That's Will? That's Will. Why is he going opposite? Let's keep the camera on. I want to see him. The guy's going from that side. Anywho, I'm gonna see you at the meetup point then. See ya. Oh, that's a lot more than I expected. Oh god damn, what the f? I gotta get gas first. I knew this was wrong. Hell yeah, that's a lot of people. I'm gonna go get gas first. Hold on. That's a lot of people that I imagine it will be. Oh, that's nice stuff. Man.
A few moments later.
I've never seen these many people. Put this one right here. It's an aero exhaust. Damn, look at the tire. It's all rep. How's it going, man? Ooh, that's nice, sick. I saw that one. Nice. It's M1000, BMW M1000. Shit. Hyper motards, Streetfighters. How's it going, man? See ya, guys. All right, the ride's getting started. We're heading out. Let's go! Right. That was a lot of bikes that we had expected. Turns out one of the Ducatistas called another friend, and it was a whole group. It was mostly like a Spanish group over there, and they said they're gonna take their own route to meet over there and everything. But it was a nice meetup. There was a lot of people, a lot of Ducatis, man, all maxed out carbons and everything. That was fun, man. So we have Stratas, Panigales, Diavol, Streetfighter, a whole group of Ducatis, man. A lot of money in this in this footage. I didn't know the Stratas have the exhaust like a gun. I hope you guys are listening, because I have no idea where my mic is placed right now. Is that sensors? What the fuck, they have sensors? I didn't know this. The multi-stratas have sensors on their mirrors. So if there's anyone at your blind spot, it blinks. Look at that. It blinks. So that you know you should not cut in front of them. Wow. That's like every bike should have that. Damn. Hey guy. Guy. कति बजे गाई देखेँ मैले Ooh, look at that! The universe. Configuration and everything. And the fun thing about going on group rides with Shadow is she's gonna be the only bike with a different color, man. She's the only unique bike. I gotta give them some space, man, because I gotta... Listen to the red. Oh, I love this route, man. I love this route. Woo! It's a good decision coming this ride. This is it. And these sounds, man.
One hour later.
Alrighty guys, that was a wonderful ride today. Might be a short vlog, but a sweet one. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was a very good loop. It's a very nice ride, a lot of twisties, straight roads as well. Good thing it was off the traffic, sorry, after the traffic rush hour and everything. It was a nice ride. It was a little bit of bumpy roads and everything, but it's not a big problem. Again, made a lot of new people, a lot of new friends, and that's always a plus. Having new friends and knowing new people is always a plus. Got to learn a lot, Good ice cream, obviously. Jeppy Leaks. Nice place, nice people. It was fun. We have another ride on Thursday, the next week. I hope the weather gives our side, because these guys are all cool people, and we still have more people joining that. That's what they said. More people coming for that week. So, and of course I'll keep you guys updated as I go to those rides. Obviously seeing other motorcycles like V2, V4 having all enforced carbon and everything, it makes me wanna carbon my bike, but no, this color is my favorite. One of the main reasons I got this motorcycle is because of its color. The matte color has always been my favorite. Matte black, matte gray. This is like matte green. Looks so much better than the photos and the videos. Obviously, in person this bike is absolutely beauty. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. I'm still growing, still learning a lot of new stuff every single day, and I'm very thankful and grateful for this adventure. You know, it's a curve of learning and growing. You can go ahead. Oh, it's going there. Okay. Anyway, I'm embracing this journey as much as I can. I'm living the full of this life. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna bring new vlogs. I'm gonna try to bring new vlogs every single week. I have more rides and events coming up. Obviously, I'm trying to bring you guys quality contents, and I'm gonna try my best to deliver that. Until then, thank you so much for supporting me, watching my contents and everything. And until then, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate all the, you know, even in this busy schedule that you guys have in your life, you took out some time, watch my vlog. Might entertain you, might give you some knowledge, might, you know, for different purposes. And I'm very thankful. Thank you so much guys. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in another vlog. Until then, have a good night or a good day. Take care and stay safe, y'all. Peace out. Bye guys. Yeah, मेरा भाई आओ क्या बनना?